we're gonna get the greenhouse ready because we're tired of waiting. So we're just gonna do it. We're forcing it. Hopefully not too much. But yeah, we're forcing it.
Wish us luck.
Yeah, wish us luck. Dusty. Put the ash from grill in with.
These are the last starters that we have on the house, and Connor is getting ready to dirt, and I'm bringing him the plants, and wish us luck. If we have nights, freezing nights, we are planning to bring the Mr. Body in there and heat it up. So yay, we got a plan for this.
So my biscuit's been looking forever for these two tools, which I just found in the bag of dirt. She's in the house searching for them now, so I better go let her know the happy surprise. Alright, going to the Baumgars. So guys, we got this bush here in the front yard. It's been pretty this summer, but it's overtaken everything. It's got prickles all over it. We want to plant some potatoes and beans up here this year, so let's see if I can start ripping some of this stuff out.
Guys, we are very excited. It's greenhouse day, and we have everything outside. We went to Baumgars and got more dirt, and I'm getting ready to make the layout here, and wish us luck. So guys, I got the layout and I'm gonna show it to you. Are you ready? So there we go. Here we have jalapenos and cukes, red onions and zucchinis, asparagus. We planted them last year, and there they were, and so here they are. And that's green peppers, poblanos, serranos, and 2 strawberries. And over here we have sorry, I sneezed on you. Over here we have habaneros, cabbage, tomatoes, and basil on the back, dill, oregano, celery, cilantro. And over here we have the chives and the lettuce and the carrots, because last year we have a little bowl that came and served himself, so this year we are gonna keep those protected. This year we are trying new veggies, like for example the red onions are new, the zucchinis are new. Last year we tried yellow squash, this year is zucchinis. This year also we are trying the poblanos, and Connor is in front of our house, and we are gonna put out there green beans and potatoes. Those two we are trying this year, I think so. The potatoes, yes, the green beans, we had them last year. So, yay, the race bed is done.
first side ready, I think. Good enough for me anyway. Got some flowers here. This guy, she's really pretty. It's to spread wild. Take him. And I'm gonna clear this section out. We're gonna put some taters and maybe some green beans or something here. Fence it off. So this should be pretty easy. Yay.
Hello, I need help. Gonna build this one last year, and this one is for herbs. So that's what we are putting in here, herbs. So wish us luck. Hey, I got changed because it's really warm in here. So I was sweating. Now I'm more comfortable. So I'm done with the herb box, and we have dill, oregano, basil, celery, and cilantro. This year I'm gonna try to grow cilantro again. Last year I wasn't successful. But hopefully this year we will have cilantro because I use it a lot for the salsas that I make. So hopefully this year we will have cilantro. You never know if you don't try. This is taking shape. One of the multiple finds at the food basket, our thrift store, our local thrift store, was this crib, and we are gonna use it as a raised bed. If you don't know what's the food basket, it's a wonderful thrift store, and it's a charity. People donate things to the food basket, and we use the money that we raise at the food basket to bring food distribution once a month. And when I say we, I'm part of the board of the food basket, so I am very involved with that charity. And just in case if you didn't know, 5% of your purchase, it goes to the food basket. More specifically to the food distribution. So I'm just gonna arrange these. Over here we have the lettuce, the carrots, and the chives. So wish me luck. So guys, this section is done. We have here carrots, lettuce, chives, a seed of lettuce, and a seed of lettuce. And as I said before, 5% of our profit goes towards the food basket. So what are you waiting for? Let's bring the heart of Wyoming to your home. Yay! Visit our online store. These two are tomatoes, and last year we were very successful with them, but we weren't careful. And so like more or less 40 tomatoes froze overnight. Oh my gosh, that was a tragic day. So this year we are gonna find a way to convert that room that we have right there into a permanent grow room. So whenever it's time to get them in, we have a spot for them and we can enjoy them all year around. So wish us luck.
Going on, sweetness.
Oh, the tomatoes are almost ready.
I can see.
Tomatoes are almost ready, and we have 4 on this one and 3 plants on this one. Yeah, I'm very excited. Very excited about this. What about you? We have been debating in freeing the trees or not, because I mean we think the deer can eat them, but there's no way that we can clear around the trees if we don't free them. So Connor is gonna try to free that trees. Free that trees. I'm pro. He's against. Let's see. So I'm only missing this, and that's it. This is mint, and mint needs to be contained on a pot, because if you put it up and you let it wild, it goes freaking nuts. So this is their pot, and I'm gonna do it. There we go. Mint. Last year we had the beans in a pot, and when we cleaned out this spot, the mint was growing roots on the ground. How cool is that? It went insane. On like a little tiny pot, littler than this one. So that was really cool, to be honest with you. These are cabbages, and last year we didn't got to enjoy them, but this year I will plant 2 over here and 2 on another pot, and let's see what happens, right? So you never know. The vegetables are on the ground. Behind me I have strawberries, serranos, poblanos, green peppers, asparagus, we started them last year, red onions, serranos, cucumber, and zucchinis. That's right behind me. And over here, hold on, just 1 second. Over there, can you see it? We have basil, dill, oregano, celery, and cilantro. And then right on this section, hold on, can't see. Oh, poop, there you go. We have mint, cabbage. I planted some seeds of, this one doesn't say, but that one has seeds. This is habanero, this is green beans. Oh, so these are green beans too. This is okra, and this is radish. And over here we have our tomatoes. Yay, our tomatoes, yay. Oh my gosh, grow babies. They are Roma tomatoes. And we got a last section to show you. Over here we have carrots, lettuce, and chives. So wish us luck. Please. Guys, we need the best luck that you can send us. As I said before, you should follow us on our Instagram or Facebook, because I come here every day and I share the advancements that we have made. And Connor has just prepared the front, and he freed the trees. Yay! Let's see if the deer doesn't eat them. Wish us luck on that too. And yeah, stay tuned. These little fellers right here are going to go on the front when they are ready. So yay, I'm very excited about today and we wanted to share it with you. I don't know if you've seen the videos of Connor building our greenhouse, but Connor built this last year, and last year we started it. We did some, we started kind of late because Connor was building it. But we have a greenhouse this year and it's the Memorial Day weekend. It's Monday, Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. And yeah, wish us luck. Please, we need all the luck that we can get. We had technical difficulties with the hose, so let's try this again, shall we?
Well, we're in. Let's see what happens. It's 80 degrees in here right now, so that's groovy.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Yeah, and it's supposed to be in the upper 30s in the evenings, but you know.
We live in Wyoming.
Yeah, I don't believe the internet. So might have to get Mr. Buddy in here to keep her warm in the nights, but we're gonna have veggies, by golly.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like. See you next week.
Buy our stuff.
Buy our stuff. Go to our online store and go check it out. I have the summer collection and it's just fantastic. So you're missing it. See you next week. It looks beautiful. See you next week.